So the problem here that we see is that this gas bottle is now in the sun, the rain. It's going to perish here. The pipes is definitely going to perish in the sun, so this is not ideal. So we'll move this back to the compartment here where the gas bottle originally was. We'll remove this battery. We are going to install lithium batteries anyways on a different location, and then we're going to upgrade all this wiring and get them right, as this is not done well. So this is one of the upgrades that we're going to do, is the electrical, but with that we will remove this gas bottle and put it in a safe place back again, and then part of the electrical connection will be the vehicle connection that we will upgrade as well. So this will look a lot different once I'm done. So yeah, at the A-frame, vehicle connection and gas bottle, that's going to be the changes here. So in this compartment we're going to remove the charger, going to move everything, make the wiring neat, remove the battery and get the gas bottle back in here. So I've painted this whole cupboard black. I've made it black, and we're going to make some changes. Put the gas bottle back here, do it neatly, but put some racks in here. That is neat.